Hi, and welcome to the tutorial of how to set your default settings in Word to APA style formatting. We're going to concentrate on double spacing, paragraph spacing, and font for this video. Okay, first you'll notice that I'm in print layout mode, and you can get there by going down here to the right hand corner at the bottom of your screen. There's lots of little buttons here. There's print layout, there's the full screen reading, web layout, outline, and draft. You might have yours in draft mode, which takes away the blue border around. I prefer print layout because I want to be able to see what it will look like on the actual page. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is do the spacing. So if you go up here to the little arrow underneath paragraph and click on it, you'll get the paragraph dialog box. Indents and spacing tab. You should see left alignment, 0 inches for both left and right indentation, and no special hanging indent or first line indent. Spacing should be 0 points before and after. Line spacing is double. And click Don't Add Space between paragraphs of the same style. And then click Default. You'll get this message about changing the default, and then click Yes. Next thing we're going to do is change the font. One of the things APA style says is to use either Times New Roman or Arial, so we're going to set that. Now if your instructor asks for a different font, then obviously you would change the font to meet their requirements, but you're usually good with Arial or Times New Roman. Times is my preference, so I set to Times New Roman, and you can just click in here. Regular, font size 12. The color is going to be automatic, but that should be black, so double check that it is black, and if not, click the black square here. Should be no underline style and no effects. You can come back in and add these later if you need to for your particular paper. And then click Default, and Yes. And there you have it. That sets the paragraph spacing, the line spacing, and the font as your default for the normal template in Microsoft Word 2007. The next thing we want to do with the default is to make sure that your margins are set to 1 inch all the way around. So what you would do is go to Page Layout, which is up here, and then click on the arrow. Once you have the page setup window, make sure that top, left, bottom, and right all say 1 inch, and if they don't, you can just highlight what doesn't say it. Type in 1.0 and then click somewhere else. Make sure that the gutter says 0. Orientation is portrait. Apply to whole document and click on default. And that's all there is to it.